you're making your bed and you're like, I hate my life, I want to die. Oh my god. Okay, I wanted to share with you guys something when I am yelling at myself and hating stuff. If you're not too terribly triggered, to work with that getting back into alignment. And it's basically agreeing with any thought you can possibly agree with that you have. Let's say you're making your bed and you're like, I hate my life, I want to die. Instead of trying to disagree with that or hate yourself for having that thought, you can actually say, well, it makes sense, I think that. Or, of course I would think that. Say, I hate my life right now because I've been in a shit mood for 3 months. You're trying to get into, like, the feeling of a little bit more ease, a little bit less, panicked, a little less overwhelmed. So I discovered this, actually was in Switzerland, and I had just kind of started my journey out here in Europe, and I was super anxious because I had like 2 clients, and I was pet sitting, and I just was flying by the seat of my pants, seriously, guys, seriously, high levels of stress. Yeah, it was a nice place to have stress, I'll say that much. And I thought that, I was making coffee, and I hate this, I'm so overwhelmed. And I just thought, yeah, it makes sense, I think that. And I was like, oh, that feels better. And I didn't go into a story, I was just so amazed at how much relief that was. So I set my phone on to 2 minutes. Every single thought I have, I'm going to do that with. I was in one of those spirals where everything I thought was just it was hurt.
My mind hurt to think itself.
So I was brushing my teeth, and I had some more thoughts, and I was like, it makes sense, I think this. I started laughing really hard at how much relief this stupid little sentence was bringing me. And I've been doing that ever since. And it has really helped keep my anxiety down, keep my head in the game, or whatever that is.